Okay, so I just got kicked out of line. So, oh, I just got kicked out of line again. Okay, I'm back in line. I'm back in. I just got kicked out of line again. All right. Listen, you know why I'm here. Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. We're cutting it close. We're cutting it close. We are cutting it close. Today's sneaker release is going to be the Jordan 6 Retro Quai 54. It's going to be coming out in men's and sneaker sizes. Hold on, let me go ahead and load up the sneakers app. I gotta go ahead and load up the sneakers app. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that from yesterday. Look at that from yesterday. Look at that from yesterday. Code JP sold out, please. All right, so it is still $9.58 right now. All right, here we go. There we go. As you guys can see right there, Air Jordan 6 Quai 54. The retail price is going to be $200. It's $9.59. Let's see if I can pick up a cool little size 10. You feel me? All right, $9.59, $9.59, $9.59. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I honestly, I give my thoughts on the shoe afterwards. These look pretty interesting though. Come on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty left-handed. I only have my phone right now. I don't have my computer by me right now. Let's go. It's 10 o'clock, but what? It says sold out already. It says sold out already. All right, here it is. 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 We in line. We in line. We in line. What even was that? I don't understand that. What even is that? As soon as that thing loaded up, it said sold out. I couldn't even press my size. I couldn't even press 200. I couldn't even press anything. What is that? Don't understand what that was. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 6 Quai 54, my thoughts on this shoe. This is a pretty weird looking shoe. You feel me? Just look at that. Like that, this isn't a sneaker that you're gonna look at and think to see on a lot of people's feet. You feel me? So I don't know. I mean, listen, I think that it's pretty different. I don't like white bottoms, but I do like that it's kind of like a little bit of an off-white, a little bit of a cream. I like the purple. I feel like they threw a little bit of brown in, but maybe I'm not looking at it right. No, I think that might just be black. Yeah. Other than that, I like that translucent looking foggy bottom. I think that that's cool. Other than that though, you feel me? It's just it's a pretty interesting looking shoe. A lot of people not gonna like these though, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people are not going to like these. Alright, bro. I took an L on the Japan Code JPs. I took an L on the Tokyos. The least I could do is grab the Quai 54s, bro. We need the Quai 54s for the channel, bro. Still on the pending sign, you feel me? Still sitting here pending. What y'all been up to?
He needs some milk.
Y'all been eating good? Y'all been healthy, you feel me? Hope y'all been healthy. Honestly, what music y'all been listening to? Let me know in the comment section down below what y'all been jamming out to. I honestly been on this wave. Y'all probably know if y'all been watching like my On Foots. Bro, I've been on this constant wave of Pierre Bourne, Playboy Cardi, Young Bands, who else, bro? Like, I know I'm missing out on people too. Like, I went like Juice WRLD heavy, Uzi too. Like, I just been listening to a lot of that music lately. You feel me? Also, I'm not gonna lie, that Logic No Pressure, that Logic No Pressure is some pressure, bro. Cause a lot of people don't like Logic because he raps about like random things. But listen, bro, That man's doing his thing. Oh yeah, the bottom of these is actually pretty fire. Oh yeah, the bottom of those is actually pretty fire. Oh. Okay, so I just got kicked out of line. So, oh, I just got kicked out of line again. Okay, I'm back in line. I'm back in. I just got kicked out of line again. I'm back in. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Yo! Oh! That's crazy. I couldn't get the JPs. I can't get the Quai 54s. It's all good, bro. It's all good. I'm not even tripping. I'm not even tripping. The sneaker gods have still been blessing me, bro. Hopefully y'all were able to cop them. Hey, bro, how did you guys feel about the sneaker anyways? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? I think that it's a pretty cool shoe. I really do like the bottom of the sneaker, even though I don't like white bottoms. That cream, like, sole, it's pretty cool, bro. Thank y'all for watching as always. More videos coming soon. More live cops coming soon, bro. Listen. Dang, that would have been a fire shoe to cop. Oh my God, do you see that? That's hard. That is hard. Hey, thank y'all for watching as always. And all I gotta say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs, signing out. Here, he's all yours.